Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair guys. Our mission here at the garage is to save you guys as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos guys. Let's go ahead and start on it now. Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair guys. Thank you guys for watching us. Thank you for the support. Today we will show you guys how to remove front bumper cover on Audi A4. You need to remove the headlights for that repair. We already removed one, but we'll demonstrate on the driver's side how to do that now. Okay, so you can see it's the same procedure for the other headlight as well. The only difference is you have two screws that we'll need to remove for the intake hose right here. So we'll need a T30 now guys, okay, like that, Torx 30. You can find the link for the tools on our website mechaniclifestyle.com. Okay, these two, you need to take them off all the way. Now there is two more that you just need to get loose. Do not take them off. Okay, one is right there. Okay, like that, that's good. And there is one hidden. Okay, it's very hidden, this one. It's so hard to see. Okay, right there. Let me come from this side so we can see a little bit better. And this one, do not take it off all the way. Just get it loose. A couple revolutions is enough. Okay, next you can grab the headlight. It should come out unless it's stuck somewhere. Okay, if it doesn't come out, you need to loosen the two screws a little bit more. Then you need to disconnect the headlight. Okay, and what you do on those guys? Okay, right here, you need to push in the wiring as much as you can. Then pry this one up and you pull it, but let me grab it with two hands now. Okay, like that, because people usually break those. Okay, so that's the headlight out of the way now. Okay guys, so I'll show you why we need to remove the headlights. Oh, sorry for the popping noise. Yeah, that was me. So once you remove the headlights, okay, right here on the inside you have three nuts with a 10mm wrench, okay, and you have one on top, middle and bottom, and we already got those loose so we don't waste your time guys. Okay, that's where the bumper is connecting to the fender. You can see, okay, right there, that's what the nuts look like. Okay, one is out. I already got them loose. I told you, working on the second and third one now. Okay, almost there. Okay, perfect. This one right here. Three of them. So now we have the other side is exactly identical. We need to remove three of the nuts and then we'll proceed with the next step. Alright guys, so we're ready to pull the other three on the other side. We got them loose. It took a little bit of time. To be honest with you, that side is a little bit more complicated because you have less room to work with the tools. Next we are going to need an Allen wrench, okay, right here, and this one specifically is a 6mm Allen wrench. And if you have the inserts here, all you have to do is just pull them out and there is a bolt underneath, okay, with that Allen wrench now. Okay, you get it there, you see it, and okay, right there, this one is almost out. Okay, you need to manually pull it out a little bit, and I don't think it will even come out all the way. Just don't remove it all the way. It will stay on the bumper, I believe so. And there is one more on this side. Okay, right there. Okay, this one on this side now, just the same way. We don't have the inserts for the bumper, so unfortunately we will not be able to show you how to pull them out, but you just grab them and pull them out. Okay, it's almost ready now. So we can go ahead now, okay, and pull the bumper, guys. But we still have the wire there connected, the hoses for the washer, so all that stuff. Okay, we still need to disconnect, you can see like that. So, okay, on this side we need to come to disconnect the hose. Okay, that's how we disconnect it. Okay, it's right here. It's the disconnect place for it. You just push in and pull out. And we need to make sure that we collect all the washer fluid so it doesn't leak out. Okay, next we have all the wires here that we need to disconnect, guys, and those you need to push in first. Okay, right here, and once you push them together, okay, you can just spread this one a little bit until it clicks open, or you can just help it here with the screwdriver. Okay, and you can manually lift it, you see it there, because those tend to get stuck sometimes. Okay, it's almost out. Okay, right there. See, when you press towards the back here, it moves the one inside that gets stuck there. Okay, same thing for this one now. Okay, we'll just grab it right here. Okay. So this is the front bumper cover, guys. That's how it came out. So thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe. So guys, hopefully the video was helpful. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to let us know. Now check out our YouTube channels, guys. We have more than 19,000 free repair videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. That's why we make these absolutely free videos. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching. See you guys next time.